In this video we're going to talk about energetic stone vibrations. You can use the basalt stones to transmit a subtle energetic vibration, not unlike sound waves, into the client's body. The sensation this produces invites the client's body to relax on a different level, deeper than muscular manipulation alone. There are 3 techniques for producing energetic vibration: tapping, clanking and rubbing. Let's look at each of these individually. Tapping is a technique whereby very specific vibration is sent vertically into the body by tapping one stone directly down onto a placement stone with a motion similar to a gentle jackhammer. The strength of the impact from the tap is determined by the height from which the stone begins its descent. It is done in a percussive manner, staying on one stone at a time for approximately 25 seconds before moving on to the next stone. You can also tap on just one stone as you move it slowly up and down the spine. Tapping is helpful for releasing deeply held tension in a trigger point or a specific muscle spasm. However, it does make a noise. Many clients like the musical sound, but it's not for everyone at every moment. So I often, for an example, you can help use tapping towards the end of a massage to help bring your client back into awareness of themselves. But in contrast to that, in the middle of a massage, if your client was in a really deep state of relaxation, they may find it too jarring. If you feel the vibration will be beneficial to the client, but the sound would be too jarring, you can always place a small washcloth or a bit of material over the top of the stone before you tap, okay? Just to dull the noise a little, but the vibration will still be held. Then we have clanking. Clanking is a technique whereby the edges of placement stones are struck against one another. This can be done with just 2 stones at a time for a very specific effect, or in a group or line of stones for a broader effect. For clanking to be effective, the height and shape of the stones need to match, and you should situate them so that there is no space between them. To clank 2 stones together, simply take 2 adjacent same size stones and bring the sides of them apart and together, striking them against each other. This will create a vibration into the area directly beneath the 2 stones. Then we have rubbing. In the rubbing technique, the sides of 2 stones are vigorously rubbed against each other. As with clanking, the 2 stones need to be the same size and height for optimal surface contact. You want to place the stones flat on the body right next to each other and simply rub them back and forth to create friction. The friction of rubbing creates vibration and heat, which is transmitted directly to the body tissues that are beneath the stones you're holding. I'm going to give you a demonstration video of all the different ways that you can use energetic stone vibrations so that you can start thinking about sequences that you might like to add them in. It's really beneficial in your case studies to get your clients' feedback on how they feel when you use these techniques and what is their response, and record that in your session logs. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed learning about energetic stone vibrations, and I'll see you in the next video.